Babe, I just got something in the mail. I got something in the mail from the Bella fan.
What the heck is it?
I guess here it's a little jail pillow or something. It even comes on with a little.
What the heck is this? This is a pillow?
Yeah, just use it.
Oh my god. This is terrible.
There's two of them.
Like the most uncomfortable pillow I've ever felt in my life.
There's two of them. There's one for you and one for me.
It's gonna make you wake up with a kink in your neck. I mean, come on, this is not a good pillow.
I don't think it is a good pillow. I don't know.
I don't like that pillow at all. Is this one soft? Oh,
That one's mine.
That one's worse.
I have no idea.
Send them back. I think they're defective. It's like a freaking rock.
It's a rock.
I thought it was like a big block of cheese or something.
Don't eat it. It's not cheese.
I think it's some kind of cottage cheese for your cooking channel.
No, it does say on here, user instructions. It's all compressed and vacuum packed.
Mine's upside down.
I guess we gotta cut it open and see how big they really are. It's got this nice new adjustable bed.
There's another bag. I'm like, it's not popping up or nothing.
We can sit in here on weekends and watch some TV. It's still hard. Look at it.
Oh, even if you take that bag off, it's still hard.
What the heck?
Ugh.
This thing better really fluff up. The Bella fan says this is their favorite. And I only had one on my list, and I guess they thought I was selfish because they sent us two. One for you, too. They said you deserved one, too. Oh my gosh, there's another bag. Holy heck.
Just keep taking it out of the bag and it's still hard.
All kinds of instructions. Fluff that baby up. See if we got ourselves a nice pillow. It's growing. It's growing.
What the heck?
It's growing.
You need to put this thing on the ground for the cat.
Oh, it's getting squishier. Bella, this is from your fans. You need to come look at it. Oh, you're going to go hide under the bed. I see your feet. It is keeps growing, keeps on growing. They said they sent us pillowcase covers too, but they didn't come yet. So, I mean, we're really going to love them. So I'm excited to see what happens. Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella. It's a pillow. You think it's a bag, because that's what you love. Well, there it is. It says you can put it in the sun for up to 48 hours. Honestly, I don't want my pillow in the sun for 48 hours. Or you can put it in the dryer on low heat for 20 minutes and fluff it up some more. We got this other pillow out here, fill it up, uncompressing, letting these two check it out. What is going on?
What is this thing? It's alive.
It's getting bigger, Gypsy. What is it? You got to get it from a different side. New body pillows from the Bella fan. We appreciate it. We love them. We haven't even used them yet. But who doesn't love a body pillow? And the cats, they just really don't understand. None of them. Bella. 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 Oh, you're Gypsy.
Yeah, but if you're calling her, I'm afraid you're giving her my treats.
Uh-oh. Look at it grow. Bella, you have to say thank you from your fans.